The Dri-Eaz Revolution is the most compact LGR dehumidifier ever. This means you can pack more drying power on the truck, even a Ford Transit Connect, saving extra trips, simplifying setup, and boosting profitability. The Compact Revolution uses patent-pending precision control technology to optimize performance, 80 pints at AHIM, and stronger LGR performance than Dehu's twice its size. It also fits in tight spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, and crawl spaces, where other Dehus won't. Testing has proven out the Revolution's rugged, rotomolded housing and durable, made-in-USA construction. For the best all-around fit on the job, on the truck, and for your fast drying needs, it's the Dri-Eaz Revolution LGR.